I'm Brent Savage, and it's my privilege to present this stunning award-winning architectural home at 24 Eclipse Lane. Let's take a look inside.
The client's brief for this place was not so much about a perceived design, but more so about facilitating a transition from a hectic Gold Coast lifestyle to a beach lifestyle which put family first. Their main point was we wanted to unpack and simplify our lives. Well, the program or the planning of the home, we centred around this central void, which has the kitchen, and that allows all of the northern light to flood into the house, and also the breezes just to go through all the space. It sets up a really nice program where you've got living on one side, guests on the other, and then upstairs you've got the master bedroom to the east, and then you've got the kids' wing to the west. So what we went with here was concrete, stone and timber. And the timber especially, we used spotted gum, a hardwood that just grays off, naturally patinas, get that beautiful silver look to it, and just grows and lives with the house. Sitting here, I'm just loving the breezes. We've got the northern light. I wish this was my place.